In this video, we'll talk about setting up your flexible structure specifically with regards to your computer as part of your virtual environment. What are the specific structures an ADHD mompreneur must have each day? The computer is definitely one of them. We're starting with that because sometimes you might not have a desk or an office even, but you always have your computer or your phone or both. Your computer, you take it now wherever you go, in a coffee shop where you have your meetings, in a library where you want to do more research, or even in a play area. It always makes me smile to see a mom sitting on a floor in a corner with their laptop open, trying to be productive and trying to make it work for them and their kiddos as their kiddos play. I respect that deeply. Here for the computer, we have to ask ourselves, what are the frictions that we have when we're using our computer that's stopping us from being productive whenever we open it up and use it? Once we find those frictions, then we can eliminate them. And eliminating those frictions mean that your computer now is going to be set up in a flexible structure that even if you use it in the library or in the play area or at a coffee shop and it's loud, you are still set up for success and be productive right there and then whenever you're using your laptop. We'll get started in the next video. This is an introduction. Are you excited? Yeah, let's do it.